Let us look at acids today. An acid is a substance that forms H plus ions as the only positive ions when dissolved in water. There are going to be two types of acids. We have mineral acids or organic acids. Mineral acids are acids that are derived from one or more mineral elements or inorganic matter that can usually be prepared in the lab, while organic acids are usually obtained from plants and animals and are naturally occurring organic compounds. The strength of an acid will refer to the extent to which the acid molecule dissociates or ionizes in an aqueous solution to form ions. If it's a strong acid, there are acids that completely dissociated in water to produce a high concentration of hydrogen ions. An example will be hydrogen chloride. When it's in water, it will fully ionize into H plus ions and chloride ions. If it's weak acids, they are acids that are partially dissociated in water to produce a very low concentration of hydrogen ions. So an example will be our ethanoic acid. It will partially dissociate to form H plus ions and CH3COON ions. And note that there's a reversible sign because not all of the ethanoic acid molecules actually dissociated to become H plus and CH3COO ions. Let us look at the chemical properties of acids. The first property, acids will react with most metals to form salt and hydrogen, the exception being copper and silver. Acids will also react with carbonates to form salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. And this will be the chemical test that can be used to confirm the presence of an acid or a carbonate salt. Acids also react with bases in a reaction called neutralization to get salt plus water. Let us now look at the physical properties of acids. For acids, they have a sour taste. They will turn blue litmus paper red. We will include the word damp if we are testing for acidic gases. And acids will conduct electricity due to the abundance of mobile hydrogen ions and anions when it's dissociated in water. Okay. The basicity of an acid will refer to the number of hydrogen ions that is dissociated when the acid molecule dissolves in water. So example, we have a monobasic acid. HCl is one of them because it will dissociate to form just one hydrogen ion. Whereas for H2SO4, it's a dibasic acid because when it dissociates, you'll get two hydrogen ions. And for H3PO4, it's actually a tribasic acid because when it dissociates, it will produce three hydrogen ions. Okay. Acids are also used in daily life applications. Example, it helps to remove rust. It can act as a food preservative and flavoring. It can clean metals and leather processing, as well as to make car batteries.